Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we would be looking at Stellar XLM, currently ranked at 20 with a market cap of about $3.24 billion. We have a 24-hour volume of about $47 million. And today we would be looking at some very interesting price action, technical analysis, and price prediction right there for Stellar XLM, right? So without further ado, let us move to the chart right there for Stellar XLM. Right, so we are on the chart right here for Stellar XLM versus the USD dollars. We're on the 4 hourly time frame, and Coinbase is the data source, right? And one of the things we have been probably seeing right there for Stellar XLM was that the moment we pushed below this 200 EMA right here on the 4 hourly time frame, we were seeing expect this push to the downside. We saw that push to the downside right there of about 18%. Since then, we just have been seeing some sort of consolidation right here. We tried with an unsuccessful move to push above the 200 EMA, but as you can see, we were rejected back, and we are pushing to the downside, right? So for XLM, we probably could still see one more push to the downside to retest this level right here. We could see another 5% dump to the downside to retest this level, and then see another push to the upside, because as you can see, we are below both the 55 and the 30 EMA, right? So we could see that push to the downside, because if we also check our oscillator, as you can see, we were overbought. We are pushing to the downside, but we are not over or above this. We need to come above this zero level to see that push to the upside. If we flip over to the daily time frame for our Stellar XLM, it gives us a good understanding of what is happening, right? Uh, we had that successful push to the upside. For some of you that were with us, we saw that huge push of about 100%, which we did, and we were seeing expect prices to come back to retest the 200 EMA. And as you can see, that was exactly what price came to do on the daily time frame. Pushed, retest, push, retest, and we are currently retesting the EMA. And that's why we were saying that we could still see price push to this 200 EMA right there, and just have some sort of huge consolidation at this level, right? But it's just a matter of time. This could be some kind of long consolidation or accumulation before we see another impulsive push to the upside. If we also check the MACD, as you can see, MACD forming some sort of hidden bullish divergence, higher highs on the momentum oscillator. This was the same thing we were forming before we saw that huge push to the upside right there for Stellar XLM, and we are forming the same thing, which means we are bullish, and we probably could see some sort of huge impulsive push to the upside right there for Stellar of about 65%. So please be on the watch, as Stellar is still bullish. As you can see, we are still above the 200 EMA, right? So that's the analysis right there for Stellar. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.